prosecutors have to make sure that in their conduct, it is not that we are striving for a winning situation. We strive to put up the best evidence that is available.
Because Vybz Kartel is the man of the moment. You know what I mean? Anything we have to do with Vybz Kartel, automatically I go get global recognition. You know what I mean? Especially with the advent of the internet.
Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Look on.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
This is not the news many people was expecting, many people was hoping for. Unfortunately, Vybz Kartel habeas corpus application has been denied by the judge, which means Vybz Kartel will remain behind bars until his next court proceedings, which is June 10, retrial or dismissal. This news has sent shockwaves through Jamaica, through the Caribbean, you know what I mean, to Africa, Europe, here in America, all over. You ever feel happy and you cannot eat? Well, this is the opposite, sad and cannot eat, especially after the anticipation of his release. When will the justice system show us that it works? When will the justice system show ghetto youths that it works? January youth, when will the system show us that it works the same way for poor people, middle class and upper class? Just a couple days ago, a former JDF soldier get 5 years for killing his wife, and a police officer murder conviction was quashed, and he's gearing up to go back to work. Where's the DPP in that case? Where's the DPP when you actually need her? Nowhere to be found, because DPP Paula Llewellyn and her friend them only have strength for Vybz Kartel because she needed fame, she needed popularity. Well, you got it, she got it, and she did not get it in the most pleasant way, she got it in the worst way. And this new DPP Claudette Thompson is no different. All I'm gonna say right now is big up Isaac Buchanan. You tried, you went above and beyond for Cartel in everything that you do, and despite the relentless efforts, the court ruled against Cartel freedom, citing ongoing legal issues. Obviously, I am not a lawyer, but I am baffled. You want a man to remain in prison that does not have any pressing charges against him, and he has been there for over a decade, and even after the Privy Council overturned his conviction, Jamaica justice system is not safe. May I tell you that youth right now. May I tell you that yes, so you hear it if you never hear it before. If it's new to you, you hear it here first, because everything they have been doing is senseless. It doesn't make any sense. This does not look good. Some strings are being pulled somewhere, somehow, because I've seen people who have committed serious crimes walk out on bail, and if and when convicted, they got less years than what the Vybz Kartel got for no forensic, nobody found, tampered evidence, and all these other things. If I tell you I am not upset and I'm not scared of Jamaica justice system, then if you believe me, I idiot. If you believe me, you're a fool, right? If you believe me, you're illiterate. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. You want to know whose voice I'm hearing in my head right now? People, welcome to Politricks Watch. You saw me did tell you? Me did tell you say Barbara Ross now get free, right? Him now go nowhere. Anyways, what grounds could they possibly have to deny Vybz Kartel release? Grounds that does not make any sense. Grounds that are senseless. I know the Gaza Nation and many more people feel this one, and I feel it too, right? Me not gonna lie to you. Vybz Kartel trial and appeal has been an emotional roller coaster. Like seriously, this was the early release that everyone was expecting before the June 10th saga took place, right? So thank you, Jamaica justice system. You have showed the world once again, yet again, there is no fairness, there is no impartiality of the justice system. Just a handful of people who do what they want, act like the justice system is in their backyard. I honestly do not believe this is right. This cannot be legal. How can it? Even Niger boy can say that this is wrong, right? This need to be protest. There need to be somebody somewhere coming out and looking at the situation and say something. We don't just need former Prime Minister PJ Patterson coming to say, oh, this, that. We need someone to speak right now. We need the same politician them like Marlene Mala who come out and try to use Vybz Kartel to get support for the Privy Council. We need people like them who actually see the wrong and come out and speak about it and put pressure on the justice system to do better than what them actually do right now. Because this is total foolishness. I am not sure what the success rate of habeas corpus application is in Jamaica because I did my research. However, there is no records to show the data of what the success rate is. While the initial celebration has turned into disappointment, as we can see, I will say this: there are still important lessons to be learned from this situation. This habeas corpus application, it might not work in Vybz Kartel's favor, but this tactic will definitely work, and it's something that other lawyers can use and free up the youths them out of the can, because this just goes to show you how many youths are actually pinned down in the system and justly denied. May I tell you that? But really and truly, we're going to look on the brighter side of things. We're not going to fall into despair. So despite the setback, the support for Cartel remains the same. The support grow even stronger. And this is not the first time we feel something like this, because 2014 did rough. 2014 was rough, right? That was the first time we got a taste of DPP Paula Llewellyn medicine, the medicine that she was cooking up, and we got a taste of it. Once again, while we're at it, big up loyalists like Sean Stam, Madsos, and Cairo, right, for standing firm against corruption and not letting go. Because if we can feel like this on a road we there, imagine who they in there, right, who actually go through it, right? And most people is just supporters of Vybz Kartel and them feel it them type of way. So imagine we actually hear the news and get the news. We're supposed to feel empty like Chronic Law. The denial of Vybz Kartel release signal the tough road that is ahead with the upcoming June 10 retrial or dismissal hearing. I'm tired to talk about that because that is extremely important, right? We can only hope for the best and prepare for a corrupt system to play them cards or play them final cards, because of them have all our cards right now. Them hold all of the cards, them hold world boss fate. Nevertheless, the fight is far from over. To take a page out of Bounty Killer book, Bounty Killer did a surgery in 2021 and him recently talk about it. Bounty Killer said what? He had resilience and him lean and him support system. So right now we need resilience, Cartel need resilience, and we need to stand firm, in this trial and tribulation right now. Not once have the justice system showed any fairness to Vybz Kartel, and this has nothing to do with guilty or not guilty. Just show us there's a proper procedure that is being followed and it applies to all. Just show us one time that there's transparency and accountability within the justice system. I am ashamed of what we call justice system. Justice weird, justice only for them and them friends. I am also eager to see how this June 10 situation plays out, because I will not be surprised if it goes left or if it goes right. Trust me. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.